On today's video, we're knocking out the Wagyu Smashburger. Hey, if you love to grill and barbecue, then this is the channel for you. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. Because on today's video, I got a great idea from my buddy, Guga, over at Guga Foods. I'll have his link down in the description. If you don't know who he is, go follow him. To do Wagyu Smashburgers. He did some and they look fantastic. And then I thought, I got some Wagyu hamburger from Snake River Farms. Why not just knock some out? So we got a griddle here. It's a Royal Gourmet. I bought it off of Amazon for about a freaking $119. And I gotta tell you, man, this little sucker will get it, huh, Wes? It is hot. Hot, hot, hot. So we are gonna knock out a couple of, me and my boy, we kinda got hungry, so we're gonna knock out a couple of double cheeseburgers, toast some buns, a little mustard mayo, and you know, all the makings of an all-natural American cheeseburger. So let's jump into it. Man, was that not stupid footage too? Golly, I don't know, I love that. I love burgers. Man, I want to tell you a little bit about these burgers. So I grew up cooking burgers, onion burgers. Now they call them smash burgers or smash onion burgers or whatever. But I grew up doing that ever since I was probably about 17 years old. I know I'm going to get a lot of questions about this right here. You cannot buy this anywhere. We made this. This is a small mason's trowel that we cut off, ground down, filed off, smoothed out, really, really smooth. So when you scrape that grill, it doesn't scratch it. And if you're gonna make burgers, I'm just gonna be honest with you, you gotta get one of these. Take the time and make one, but as for this burger, man, we ran this, I think yesterday or the day before yesterday, because we wanted to test it. Could we cook burgers on this? We didn't know. But this thing is an amazing burger cooker. And these burgers look phenomenal. And I think we should do a little burger series. If you're up to it.
I'm up. I'm ready.
You up to it?
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to do a little burger series, because who doesn't love a good cheeseburger? And thanks to my boy Guga for the Wagyu idea. Golly, this little sucker's heavy too, man. Heavy. That was a pound of meat, so they're quarter-pound patties. And you ready to eat one of these? Let's open one up. Let's open one up. Oh goodness, look at that. Oh, that looks amazing. All right, so let's give it a try. You're gonna be blown away by this one, dude.
I'm ready.
You are gonna be blown away. This is amazing. The meat is just so creamy. We seasoned it with a little Texas beef, not too much. We really want that Wagyu to punch through. The mustard with that vinegar kicked in by the pickles just cuts right through the fat. Ties this whole thing together. This is an amazing cheeseburger. And I'm going to finish eating this whole freaking thing before Wes gets done. Well, hey, as always, I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget, smash that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. And I'll catch you in the next burger video. Peace. Dude, these are good. These are super good.